So go ahead and hit the unpause button. Assemble the Handtmann VF10-100. I got no idea what most of these parts are called. Put this rotor attachment, drop it down in the center. It's not critical what the orientation is. It goes in 4 different ways. We just use these bolts to help pick it up, make it real simple. The paddles drop in. It's not important as far as the orientation, which slot they go into. They all pretty much go in the same way with the bevel piece down and the flat piece out. If you have to force them, there's something wrong. Slow down, figure out why it's hanging up. Maybe the rotor's not all the way down in place. Most of these parts are not replaceable, so be real careful. Make sure everything's good and dry and oiled. And so here's the cam. Cam only fits in one direction. The machine should always stop in the same orientation like you see up here. There's an O-ring. It should be well cleaned and lubed. It goes in here like so. And then this whole unit flops forward. It's heavy, so be careful. Into place, and then locks back. Voila. So we're going to put the scraper in. Bowl's open. So around on this side here, that's the scraper part. Locked into place. Flop the bowl back. And lock it into position. So next we'll assemble the stuffer portion. You got to put one of these gasket pieces in here like this. It'll only go one way. Fit it firmly down in there. The wrench goes on like so. And it just takes a little bit of a lift to get this thing in. And then you can turn it. Gotta put the nut, the wrench on first. So there we go. Start it by hand until it won't go anymore. And then crank it tight with the wrench. The wrench stays on the unit at all times. And it's not being cleaned. There we go. So this is the 19mm horn that we made. It's reverse threaded. There we go. You don't want to over rotate this. This thing goes to a locked position with the handle. If you over rotate it, the gears inside will disengage and it'll mess up the adjustment. So you don't want to do that. Go ahead, pause, Tracy.